Hi, I'm Dr. M. Joe Kaushik, andrologist practicing at Caroline Hospital, Nagarkoil. So today this is a egg pickup video. It's a home pickup. So what is the thing is the husband side parameters are good, but the couple were trying for pregnancy for a very long duration, but they didn't get. So the couple insisted us to get a faster pregnancy, and the wife also had polycystic ovarian disease. So then they finally decided for the ICSI procedure, and the ICSI was done, and this is the day 5 blast which is freezed. So you can see how good and how compact the blast is formed. So we are hoping to get the best result followed by this transfer. So we had frozen and we are waiting for the endometrium to get proper maturation for the transfer to be done.